Consider a quadratic equation y equals x square minus 4x plus 3. Let us try to plot the graph for this equation. I have my x and y axis in place now. Let us see what would be the value of y for x equals 0. For x equals 0, y would be 0 square minus 4 times 0 plus 3, which is equal to 3. Hence, 0, 3 would be a point on this curve. Next, let us have a look what would be the value of y for x equals 1. It would be 1 square minus 4 times 1 plus 3, which equals 0. Hence, 1, 0 would be a point on this curve. Similarly, we can find out the values of y for other different values of x. Say for x equals 2, y would come out to be minus 1. For x equals 3, we would have y equals 0. And for x equals 4, we would have y equals 3. Joining all these points together, we would get a sense of the curve that would form the graph for the equation y equals x square minus 4x plus 3. As can be seen, we get a very unique shape of a curve which is generally referred to as a parabola. It turns out that the curve for all quadratic equations is a parabola. We will learn some interesting properties of the parabola in the coming sections. But before we do that, let's have a quiz. If instead of the equation y equals x square minus 4x plus 3, my equation was y equals minus of x square minus 4x plus 3, which is nothing but minus x square plus 4x minus 3. What do you think the shape of the curve be? Would it be a normal parabola as we saw earlier? Or would it be an inverted parabola?